What's going on? Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Apex Vision TV. Today we got some parts for the GS300. As you can see, we got a box right here. Stay tuned for this unboxing, and we'll get to see what it looks like. We'll get to see the packaging, and you guys will find out what it is. All right, had to do something to that front end. This isn't all that's going on there, but you know, to start out, we got the halogens. These are Spec D's halogen lights. Should help the car look a whole lot better. Gonna put them on this weekend. If the rest of the parts get in, I'll show you those when they come in. All right, yeah, so as you can see, I had to go ahead and do the lights. I got those off of Car ID. They were $321, I believe. Gonna help the front end a whole lot. Want the car to look good, so I figure do little by little pieces at a time. My dad is 100% get the motor first. He tells me stories of beaters that are walking away from everything else, but you know, that's gonna take some time to do. And yeah, you can spend your money and save it, but at the same time, I want to still create content at a solid pace while making the car look better. It's going to be a hell of a journey either way. So thank you for tuning in to another episode of Apex Vision TV. Stay tuned for more. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out our social media platforms: Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and of course YouTube. Apex Vision out.